get the video started Saturday morning, but we woke up, got belts fixed, belts changed, broke those belts in, and I'm gonna let you guys see the rest of the day. Lunchtime.
It's for the video. You said lunchtime. Now show them how you eat.
Go do it, dude.
You know what's right and what's wrong.
You're gonna do it so many takes.
I can't do nothing wrong. Yo.
At the end of the day, it already happened.
Yeah, ain't nothing I can do.
Be a dune trip unless somebody can roll.
Anybody's GoPro going?
Huh? Mine was going, but it was in front of me.
Damn it! I wish I had mine on. Mine wasn't on.
Well, I look back and you're on your side, so I'm like, Tristan just rolled.
That was kind of fun though. I just looked at the ground and watched me get closer and closer, and boom!
Yeah, as Tristan's driving like this.
I'm out here cruising. Help! My leg! I should have stuck my arm out and tried to save it. I probably could.
Is your A-arm good after that, or is it even worse?
Dude, you'll be all right. Don't you worry. Dude, I thought about got stuck on that stupid ass hill.
We were faced with it when I'm seeing it.
Happens
And it's not on.
See it happen in person.
Well, we could do it again.
I'm down.
You didn't stick your arm out, did you?
Huh?
You didn't stick your arm out, did you?
My hands were on the steering wheel and both feet were on the brake pedal.
Why
Was
the
it,
brake pedal?
did it just like flop slowly?
Why'd
Or
you
was-
go too high and it just fell over?
Well, no, I came in high like this, and then I.
Stop.
Well, yeah, I came up. Well, no, actually, I came in from the middle and then kind of came down and saw everybody go that way. So I started to like correct myself, but I ran up on that stump and then I ran. You can see where my tire went.
Yeah. You was correcting like a mother. Where you doing? Hairpin turn?
Oh, you hit up there? Damn, I hit that.
Drove up into that joint.
Tristan's like, I'm taking this tree with me.
Dude, I want a memory from. All right, let's see if we.
Where you go?
Here, I'll just. Here's my memory.
We got 3 rollovers. Look.
Plastics are good.
Miles unbuckled with the quickness when I said Tristan rolled. He's like,
I look back like,
I just started dumped and I looked and I was like, Tristan! I was like, clunk.
Not gonna lie, I was kind of scared for a second because I was on my side. I saw you still going, so I was like, well, so I turned it off, and then I turned it to on and I started honking my horn. Help! Help! Then I heard David.
I horned until I was halfway here.
I was paying attention.
Camera! His arm's broken, but get the camera!
I was like, Tristan's on that machine.
yeah, I was whipping that off that mount as fast as I could.
He tells. I was watching Harris about back in the front of David.
Damn, I didn't hit no trees at all.
Because you know what's
Pull it off,
next.
move it.
I can't get it back on very easy. Look, now it's all out. I already got it. Don't worry.
Wait, where's your rubber?
That's why I don't like you pulling it off.
Oh, you missing one already?
I'm missing them all. Quick though, shout out to these beard harnesses, keeping me safe. I mean, the machine's alright, but my life was kind of more important in this situation. Not really though. I just want, so Beard, if you see this, let me know. Hit me up with them seats so that way I don't get hurt anymore. You know how it is?
I like your cut, G.
Dude, I'm fucking excited.
I like your rollover, G.
Hell yeah, mud tires. Mud tires.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
General doing wheelie?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
Where's he trying to?
It did a little Willie.
All right, guys, you know, day 2 at Waynoka, second trip. Had a little situation. Let's see what happened. As you can see, we're chilling here outside the dunes. Got back to camp. X-Tree's doing good. General doing good. Maverick doing good. Well, look what we got here. Well, looks like the boy D Ward did a couple front flips. But it's all good. We took him to the hospital. Everything's checking out good. Got a couple broken plastics. Ain't nothing little Amazon parts. Partzilla can't work. But yeah, Miles Kirk. Oh, got a crack a cold one for us. What's your take on this, Miles?
Happens.
Facts.
Looks like
Tough
D
break.
Ward just ran out of skill. Pulled an old Rafa.
Tough break.
Just ran out a little bit out of
Tough
skill.
break. Tough break.
Tough break.
Shout out
guys.
Side by Side Vlogs.
Alright guys, so we're on our way home from the Little Sahara down in Waynoka, Oklahoma at the sand dunes. It was not the weekend that we had hoped to have. Glad everybody's okay though. The first night we went out at nighttime and Colby's beads fell off, which you guys saw. I went on a rescue mission with Miles to go get his other tires to put on so we can get him back to camp. Well, on the way back out to Colby, I shattered my belt, so Rafa tried to tow me back to camp, but it just wasn't working, so we just decided to go back, have one of them go back to camp, get the proper tools that I needed to replace my belt out there in the sand, which was pretty crazy. So we did that, got home at like 2:30 in the morning, which you guys had saw. Saturday, we go out and we're having fun and we're trying to do the wheelies, which is what we're after. We're on a quest for wheelies right now, and David came up over a hill and didn't see a berm and endoed over twice and totaled out his side-by-side. So David is down but not out, so we're kind of sad about that, but it's not the weekend that we had hoped for. Glad everybody is safe. We had as much fun as we could, made the best out of every possible moment.